everyone, it's Edie and welcome back to another Edith Noble video. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you my birthday present of what I am making for my mom for her birthday. And her birthday is on Monday, and so I'm gonna do a little artistic thing. Let's hope she doesn't realize I'm making this video. And show that to her. I'll obviously post it next weekend. And so just show you what I'm making, and hopefully it can give you a little bit of artistic inspiration. And don't mind my Tootsie Pop. So let's get into it.
Perfect.
So my lollipop is like jagged, like right there, if you can see that. And so then it cut the top of my mouth, and like literally my mouth is bleeding. So on Instagram, this is what I'm basing it off of. And so it's like a ribbon that spells out grateful, thankful, blessed in different colors, and it looks really cool, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, what you're probably gonna need to do this is a pencil, a piece of paper, a pen, and some colored pencils or watercolor. I think I'm probably gonna use colored pencils though. And so you're just going to sketch out like a ribbon, like flowing sort of thing, flowing, to make the shape. And then, so I'll do that now. So I finished with this part of it, and so I did the nice ribbon and I outlined it with Sharpie and colored it in with colored pencil, and I did darker color on top and lighter underneath, and I think it looks nice like a ribbon. Grateful, thankful, blessed. And so I was looking at it and I thought it looked a little bit plain, so I got watercolors, and so I'm just gonna put whatever color I did each word in, and I'm just gonna do like a little background of that color watercolor to make it a little bit more colorful and exciting, and then I think I'll be done. Watercoloring, and I think I'm done. I'm really pleased with how it looks. I think it looks really nice. Hoping my mom likes it. And the Great British Baking Show and Netflix really helped me on this. So this is what it looks like. And this is actually the first time I've ever done ribbon lettering, which is where you do like layers sort of and make it look like a ribbon strung. So yeah, I am really pleased. And I think one of the keys for this is to really try and visualize what a ribbon would look like when like you're like twisting it and stuff. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Hope you're happy if you did it, and let me know how it went. Tell me if you like this video by giving it a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe because I've got lots of cool videos coming soon. So, and my hands are going crazy. So hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. I can't reach.